Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to restore the Google Play Store on your phone. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Here we go to the explanation, with God's blessing. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then go to the applications, then click on the applications again. Then click on the three small dots above us, then it appears. Click on Show System Processes to display all the system applications on your phone. Then you search for the Google Play Store application or write in the application search engine the Google Play Store, and it will appear to you here. Now here, you will find it disabled. You activate it from here. If we return to the interface of our phone, we will find that it has been successfully restored. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it tomorrow, and I benefited. Prayer for any problems or suggestions. Write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.